Yeah, it's fun and I like the attention.
Do you want to meet Father? And I'm just dying to know Mother. Well, what if... Oh my gosh! She seems so scary that we might be able to pull it off. Switch places. Switch? We could do it. We're twins, aren't we? Oh, I want to know Mother. Look, now I'm getting goosebumps. Mother would have to bring me to California to unmix it.
Well, when I was working at the Disney Studios, I really felt that, you know, that Disney used to be like the place where technology and incredible advances in technology were combined with artistry to really advance the storytelling of animation.